Question 21, cesium is a group 1 metal. So which statement about cesium is not correct? So we need to read this very carefully, not correct. If you think you read it correctly the first time, read it again and make sure that you are reading it not correct, okay? So let's see what we can do. So it says it has higher melting point than lithium. So we know down group 1, the melting point decreases. So cesium is below lithium in the periodic table. So you have lithium blah 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 cesium. So cesium is below lithium in group 1, and since it's below group 1, then cesium will have lower melting point. So it says it has a higher melting point. This is wrong. It should be lower. They are looking for something which is not correct. This is not correct. So you know that is just what we are looking for. Alright, so by right we can just move on to the next question, but of course this is a tutorial, so I'll quickly go through why the other options are incorrect in case you think they're correct. 1 electron in its outer shell, yes, because it's group 1 metal. So group 1 means all of them will have something comma 1 in the outer shell. Example, lithium is 2 comma 1, and then sodium is 2 comma 8 comma 1, potassium is 2881. So this refers to first shell. The 1 refers to the second shell, and because lithium is a second period element, this is the outer shell. Sodium, on the other hand, is the third period element, so the third period is the outer shell. It's got 1 electron in the outer shell, and so on and so forth for the rest of the group 1 metal. It reacts vigorously with water, so all the group 1 metals like to give away the electrons. They like to lose 1 electron, and therefore very reactive with water, very reactive with acid, okay, acid or water. Now it reacts with chlorine to form cesium chloride, so you can think about NaCl, which is Na plus Cl minus. So now you have cesium chloride, which is Cs plus and Cl minus, and you have a group 1 metal, so you will lose 1 electrons to give you the cesium plus cation there. Okay, but the answer there is definitely is A. That was already what we established as the wrong concept. If you know your melting point for the group 1 metals, you should also know your melting point for the group 7 halogen is the total opposite trend. Okay, just be careful.